like working with a pizza dough. We're gonna make our own pizza tonight. And then they in the air. Yes, I've never made a pizza. Yeah, something like. Maybe I should have watched the video on what you're supposed to do with a pizza dough. Oh, maybe this is it. Ah! Okay, making pizza. We're making our own pizza tonight.
I want to spread it.
Okay, how about you put on some more of the sauce? Right there.
Show
Pour
me
a little bit. And
Can I try?
A little bit more.
Can I spread it that way?
Wait.
Can I spread?
Okay, good.
Put more
Good
in.
job. Don't splat it. Just spread it out. Nice and even. This one. Okay.
Flatten it down.
We don't have all day. We have to leave in 10 minutes, so. Okay. Okay. Little basil. Sprinkle. Little basil. And. Oregano. Uh-oh. That opens. Not healthy. Not healthy. But Daddy likes pepperoni on his pizza. So, girls like cheese. I guess so, honey.
Squishy, I love the dough.
So squishy.
Just some pockets. Pockets. They're like blowing
Okay.
the pizza.
This is gonna be yummy pizza, huh?
Yes.
Gonna be so good.
It's blowing.
Okay. So in all honesty, I really screwed up that pizza. And I ended up having to throw it away. And it looked so good, and I couldn't wait to eat it. We all couldn't wait to eat it. And I totally forgot step 1.5, which is so important. So, yeah, spray your pizza pan before you put the dough on it. Otherwise, the dough is going to stick to the pan and you'll never get it off. It was so sad. But I've since made it. We usually make it like every week. So I'm actually making it again tonight. minus the pepperoni because I don't have pepperoni. But the final product looks like this, and I wish you could smell it, and I would share it with you if I could. But I love this pizza crust. I'm telling you, go get it if you can get it. Mama Cozzi's. It's so crispy goodness. Anyways, thanks for watching. Leave in the comments below if you like this pizza crust too, or what you like to put on your pizza. Okay, until next time.